ZenGo wallet versus Electrum wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are available in the description below. In this video, we'll compare ZenGo wallet and Electrum wallet, highlighting the features that set them apart to help you choose the best wallet for your needs. ZenGo wallet is an innovative mobile-first crypto wallet that focuses on simplicity and security. One of its standout features is its keyless security powered by multi-party computation, MPC technology. This eliminates the need for users to manage private keys, which drastically reduces the risk of losing access to your assets. ZenGo supports over 70 cryptocurrencies, and it integrates various services, including buying, swapping, and earning interest on your holdings. It's designed for both beginners and experienced users who want a user-friendly interface with robust security features. ZenGo also allows you to back up your wallet in the cloud, making it easy to restore your wallet on a new device. On the other hand, Electrum Wallet is a highly regarded desktop wallet in the crypto community, particularly for Bitcoin users. It's an open-source, non-custodial wallet known for its speed, low fees, and advanced features. Electrum is designed for more advanced users who are comfortable with managing their own private keys and don't mind dealing with technical configurations. It offers features like custom transaction fees, multi-signature support, hardware wallet integration, and detailed security settings. While it supports only Bitcoin, Electrum is a powerful tool for users who want granular control over their Bitcoin transactions and security. When comparing ZenGo and Electrum, it ultimately comes down to your experience level and needs. ZenGo is perfect for beginners or anyone who values convenience and keyless security, while Electrum is ideal for advanced Bitcoin users who want total control and are comfortable managing private keys. Both wallets are excellent in their own right, so your choice depends on your preferences regarding security, usability, and features. For more details, check out the links in the description.